Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another unboxing. This one is the iPhone 12. This was released on October 16 and we just got it a couple days ago. As you can see, we got in the black color. There are some other colors. There's a red, there's a white, there's a gray, and I believe there's also a blue. See, this year the box is a little smaller. It's about half the size of the box that was last year. In the packet we get one Apple sticker. We also get the instructions and a SIM card ejector tool. The cable is an USB-C type cable. This was found in the iPhone 12 Pro last year. 11 Pro last year. And this time it comes with all three iPhone 12 models. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. We will see you next time with a new video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.